Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We're going to do an unboxing. This is a very exciting video. This video is going to take forever to make, but I'm going to do it and show you guys in less than hopefully 30 minutes. This here is, let's just open up so you guys can see. I'm so excited. Do you suffer from hair? Are you a hairy woman? Do your legs grow long, thick hair? Do you have hair, coarse hair under your arms? Well, I'm hoping and praying that this sucker gets rid of all of that. Check it out. It is the IPL hair removal Toplaine kit or machine from Amazon. So I'm excited because we're gonna test this on my daughter in myself. Okay. I'm more excited for Zumi. I'm super excited for me. I'm not extremely hairy. I got hairy underarms. I got hairy legs. Yeah. But Zumi, my daughter, the one that's in the next room, I feel really bad for her because she has hair like freaking crazy. And yes, I'm whispering because she would just come in here and be like, "Mom, don't tell those people about my hair. That's embarrassing." But she has hair like no one's business. She has it on her back. She has it on her legs. She has it everywhere. I feel so bad for her. When we go get her eyebrows done, you know how you thread the eyebrow? Well, we get her whole face done because she gets hair that grows here. She gets hair that grows down here, right here. I mean, you name it. I feel bad. And I don't know where she got it because my husband and I are not very hairy. But so this says that you have to shave your the area. You have to shave the area and then you have to do this, okay? And it stops the hair from growing back. It's kind of like this is that laser hair removal at home, okay? And I'm so excited because I'm crossing my fingers that it's going to save me thousands of dollars getting Zumi laser hair removal. I hope this is like the miracle cure for all you hairy women out there. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I have no idea what it looks like. Stop. Make sure you register for free 2-year warranty. That's freaking awesome. A 2-year warranty, a free 2-year warranty. Gives you the directions right there. It tells you a little yada yada how to operate this thing. Frequency, let's see here. Recommended frequency. Okay. We're going to have to read all that details later. This is what we want to see. This is what I want to see. Let's pull it out. Toplaine. Okay, so it looks really, really cool. Look how big it is. It's like bigger than my hands. Look at that. Bigger than my hands. And it has like this, it looks like a, oh, that's nice, like a flower ventilation system maybe I'm getting. Okay. I doubt it has any charge to it. No. I have to charge it, guys. Plug it in and charge it. And then, oh, okay, look at that. So here's the light. Does it hurt? I wonder if it hurts. It's supposed to go ch-ch-ch-ch-ch. And you're supposed to, from what I understood, is supposed to just run it like that. So I'm going to charge this. I just wanted to do the unboxing so you guys could see. And we'll get into the nitty-gritty of it all another day because I have to charge it today. But look at it. Pretty cool, right? Imagine like you're like... I don't know. Cross your fingers. I'll see you guys tomorrow. There we go. I just shaved. Got close up so you guys can see my skin. Let's go ahead and try this. So this is the little fan that you're hearing in the back. I'm gonna face it this way. Oh, I'm not even pushing the button. And because it's on automatic. You see where it says auto on the screen. So I don't even have to push the button. And it just goes. And it literally feels like absolutely nothing on my legs. I could do this every night. This doesn't bother me at all. And just so you guys know, I do have lotion on my legs. I don't know if I was not supposed to, but I do. And these glasses are kind of important. It makes you look, the glasses, when you look through them, look green. Like everything's green. But the light, even like this, is so extremely bright that you kind of do need these glasses. Or just look away. Okay guys, here's my legs. So I did the laser hair removal on this leg for 3 weeks. I had to shave it and do it. And then for the last 2 weeks, I've been letting my hair grow. And you can see how much hair there is. Let me go ahead and zoom in. So you can see it is quite a bit of hair. Eric does not like this. Let me zoom in. Let me focus the camera a little bit. Eric does not like this because he can feel it at night. My hair is quite long. You guys can see all the hair. Now let's go over here. Now keep in mind, when I stopped doing the laser hair removal 2 weeks ago on this, I shaved this, I shaved that, so the hair would grow at the same time. But if we come over here, look at this. So all the center, what is this? Like a red dot. All the center. You don't see any hair, right? But you do see sporadic. One hair here, one hair there, a few hairs. I only did it for a few weeks. And for me to have this much permanent hair removal is amazing. And no, I didn't shave just the center of my leg. I have not shaved my legs. You can see, so like I wasn't focusing it so much on the inner of my leg because I didn't think that I had a lot of hair growing there. And so I would just be like, really quick. But obviously I needed to take my time on the inner part of the leg like I did on the outer portion right here. But I think that's a huge difference. Okay guys, so I just showed you a picture of my legs. Like, yeah, big, huge difference. Like, I let my hair grow out on both legs, like I said, for 2 solid weeks. If I'm talking funny, it's because I had a dental procedure and I'm still in a lot of pain. So maybe my lips aren't working like they should be working. But I'm talking and I think you can understand me. Anyways, so my legs, that's a huge difference. I thought this was going to be like gimmicky. I'm like, how can a home system work as good as the doctor's office? Obviously, if I did this for a longer period of time, you would see a tremendous difference. Now, I did shave both of my armpits. I'm going to show you my armpits. I did shave both of them because I was using a deodorant and I kind of got like those boils under my arms and I needed to shave the hair. This button is for the light. This is to adjust it. So let's go ahead and try it on 4. See if that hurts. You're just supposed to hold the button down and then move it and the light will go off like that. Pushing it against the skin. So we're just gonna go straight to 7. Hair removal, and let's try it again. Guys, it really doesn't feel like anything. It sounds, though, kind of like a taser gun a little bit, which is a little scary the way that it sounds, but it doesn't feel like anything. So, but look, so this is the one that we have been doing, right? And, oh yeah, so you can see those 2 bumps right there compared to the one that was not done. So I'm going to lift both of my arms and we're going to compare. So the one thing that I will notice with my armpit hair, and I know this is gross because it's kind of growing out, but you know what? It's a laser hair removal. Okay, so the one thing that I did notice is that the hair down here stopped growing as far. I didn't realize. Okay, look over here. So my hair actually grows pretty darn far down my arm, all the way down to here. And then over here, it stopped growing down here. So it is working in my armpit. I will tell you, after using it several times, it's almost like you use it so much that your skin starts to become a little bit more sensitive to it. At first, the first week, it was like boom, 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 boom. Just feels like it warms on your skin. That's it. And then the second week, it feels kind of like it warms, but a little bit hotter, or just a little bit hotter. Like you felt a little, maybe like somebody went like this, maybe just a tiny bit, still extremely bearable. Now I was doing my bikini area. That takes a lot of maintenance because obviously you have to, depending on how much hair you have to shave and then do it. I'm going to show you a clip of me doing it on Zumi's back. Do not do this. So we're doing Zumi's back, right? And then all of a sudden we started smelling burnt hair. And this is the reason you have to shave. Let me go ahead and zoom in. You guys can see all the hair that curled up in a line right here because we went this way, like this. Because I was going to do just half of her back. And if it got really, really close, all of this hair, let me focus a little bit better. All of this hair that got curly started burning. So it started singeing. So there's a straight line right here of where it started to burn. So that is why you do have to shave. So this is why you do have to shave before you do it, because it will start burning the hair like it did on her back. Okay, so when the instructions tell you to shave your hair, there's a reason. Because if you do it on top of hair that's growing, you literally singe the hair and it smells burnt. So you have to shave the hair. Did Zumi see a big difference in her arms? She did not want to get on camera, but I'm going to show you a picture of her arms. Okay guys, so you guys can see how she has a pattern on her skin right here, like the pattern of her hair. And then we come over here and you can see how the pattern is, it breaks up, how there's certain parts where the hair does not grow in. Her hair is super, super thick, as you can see, but you can see how the pattern breaks up. So overall, what do I think? I actually think this is a great, great product. Yeah, I thought like, no way this is going to do good. This is like, it's not going to work, but it did. It really, really did. I'm pleasantly shocked because I can do permanent hair removal at home. Easy, quick, convenient. The only thing I will tell you is like, leave it by your bed so you don't forget to do it. I kept forgetting. And then my daughter would come in and be like, Mom, you got to do it. So I just left it by my bed and then I wouldn't forget. And I'm like, do. But if you want to be hairless with no hair, I would totally, totally recommend this. I am actually going to try it on my facial hair. I didn't have any skin discoloration. You can try it. Try a little area at first and then see if you have any skin discoloration or any irritation before doing it. I did not. Zumi did not. I'm less pigmented than Zumi. Zumi has more color, more pigment to her skin. She was fine. The one side effect that she said that I didn't experience whatever, I mean, at all, not at all, not one bit, is that she said that she felt like her skin was a little bit more dry, which I was like, okay, to each his own. So she would just put a little bit more lotion on after doing it, but she did feel that it dried her skin just a pinch. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I will post a link down below to this product, to this laser hair care system removal. You get what I'm saying. Sorry. Like the pain. My meds are wearing off. Anyways, let's go ahead and just jump on over to the quote of the day. I love you guys. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to that clip.